Ever pondered the secret to crafting perfect noodles within the comfort of your own kitchen? The answer might be simpler than you think. A cold open reveals that the art of noodle making, though steeped in tradition and culture, is not unattainable. It is an art that can be mastered, a skill that can be learned, and a delight that can be savored. Begin with quality ingredients. Flour, water, and a pinch of salt form the backbone of this culinary masterpiece. Choose a high-protein flour for the best results. The water should be lukewarm, not cold, not hot. And the salt, always sea salt, adds a hint of the ocean's vastness to your noodles. Mix the ingredients, gradually adding the water to the flour. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes. It's a tactile experience that connects you to countless generations of noodle makers before you. Once the dough feels right, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest. This period of quiet repose allows the gluten to develop, creating noodles that are both firm and tender. After about an hour, the dough is ready for rolling. Unveil the dough and roll it out until it's as thin as a dime. Remember, patience and precision are key. Now comes the exciting part, cutting the noodles. Use a sharp knife and cut the dough into thin strips, as uniform as possible. Remember, the thickness of your noodles will dictate their cooking time, so consistency is key. Once you've cut your noodles, shake out the strands and let them air dry for a few minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable texture and bite. Next, plunge the noodles into a pot of boiling water. Cook them until they're al dente, firm but not hard, yielding but not soft. This usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, but the best way to know is to taste. Drain the noodles and immediately rinse them under cold water. This stops the cooking process and helps maintain their texture. Your perfect noodles are now ready to be dressed in your favorite sauce or soup. So in summary, select quality ingredients, knead and rest the dough, roll and cut, then cook, drain and rinse. A simple process that results in a delicious dish. And there you have it, the perfect noodles, crafted in your own kitchen, ready to be savored. A testament to tradition, a nod to the past, a delight for the present. Remember, the beauty of noodle making lies not only in the final product, but in the process itself. It's an art, a skill, a tradition, and now it's yours to master. Enjoy the journey.